Good morning to all. So in last class, we have studied about water logging and its reclamation and also reclamation of saline water. So in this chapter, till now we study about how waterlogged area is developed and also causes of waterlogging causes of waterlogging and also saline saline agriculture land and its reclamation. So for saline reclamation we have to do leaching process, and also we have a study about LR coefficient, efficiency of leaching, and amount of water required for leaching, and also design, and also we completed the portion that is the for drainage, tile drain with graded filter also. So design of tile drain is almost completed. So the water drain by the tile drain is surcharged into some bigger drain, and this drain is called deep surface drain. So diagram was also discussed. Diagram of tile drain with outlet drain. That portion is also discussed in last class. And also discuss the surface distance between two drains, two tile drains. So now try some question on the basis of tile drain, design of tile drain. So question is, determine the size of tile drain at the outlet of 6 hectare drainage system if the drainage coefficient is 1 centimeter. Drainage coefficient is 1 centimeter. And also given that tile grade is 0.3% and N equal to 0.011. So we have to find the size of tile drain. That means it is also based on design of tile drain. So according to question given here, we have to design tile drain for the outlet 6 hectare. Okay, and drainage coefficient is 1 centimeter and grade is 0.3%, and also given in value is 0.011. So for design of tile size, first step is to find the discharge passes through tile, and discharge is calculated as per area is given and coefficient is given. So we can calculate discharge is Q equal to Q equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 2, that is DC, coefficient of drainage coefficient, into 6 hectare converted into meter square, divided by 86400 in seconds. So with the help of calci we can solve this. So this value is approximate 6.94 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube per second. This is the total discharge passes through this drain. Also we know that Q equal to AB as per continuity equation. So we have to find the size of the tile drain. Velocity we can find with the help of Manning's equation. According to Manning's equation, velocity equal to 1 by n d by 4, that is a r to the power t s naught to the power 1 by 2. So y mean depth equal to d by 2 for tile drain. So we can also put the value equal to AB. AB equal to pi by 4 d square into 1 by n into B. So Q value is calculated, that is 6.944 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube per second, equal to pi by 4 d square into 1 by n into d by 4 to the power 2 by 3 into s naught to the power 1 by 2. This value, put the variable value, that is pi by 4 in terms of d square 1 by n is equal to 0.011 into again d square by 2 by 3, s naught is given, that is 3%, 0.3%. So convert 0.3% into 1 by 2. Solve this value and find the value of D. So from this equation, by solving this equation, D value equal to 13.15 centimeter. So this is the size of tile drain. Size of tile drain. So in this way, this is a very simple question of the design of tile drain. Also, we solve different type of question related to designing of tile drain, and also to find LR, leaching requirement, and saline coefficient. So write a question, that is a sugar cane root zone depth is given, that is I'm just sharing the screen. Okay, see the question. A sugar cane root zone depth 1.8 meter is grown in a particular area when the groundwater table is 2 meters below the ground, and if the size of soil pores is 0.08 mm in phi and surface tension is 0.054 Newton per meter. Is the field waterlogged? And also show determine the vertical location of closed drain below ground level space at 15 meters. Coefficient of drainage is given 0.116 cumex per kilometer square. Permeability value is given, that is 10 to the power minus 6 meter per second, and the impervious stratum is given 7 meter below the ground level. So for this question, we have to determine the vertical location of closed drain below the ground level. So in this question, we have to find the location of tile drain. So how we find? So for solving this question, firstly, we have to find HC max, that is the maximum height of water available due to capillarity. So we can find capillarity height So how we find the capillarity height HC maximum? So for HC maximum, formula is according to surface tension. Surface tension is also given, that is 4T by gamma W into D. So in question also given here, this is the ground level and this is the water table. In this zone also, water is available due to capillarity, and here is the root zone. Here is the root zone. So given information is this height show the HC maximum. This root zone is 1.8 and this total height is 2 meters. So first we have to find HC maximum height due to capillarity. So this is calculated by 4T by gamma WD. So 4 surface tension is given, that is 0.054 divided by gamma W 9.81 into gamma D, that is 0.08 into 10 to the power minus 3. So this value equal to 0.275 meter. So that means water is logged, okay, in that particular area due to effective water table level equal to 2 meter and water level due to capillarity is 2.75 meter. So it is less than 1.8 meter below. So field is waterlogged. Field is waterlogged. So first portion is solved. Field is waterlogged. So for the second portion, for the finding vertical position of tile drain, for knowing vertical location of tile drain, again draw the root zone area. This is the groundwater level. Water is available here. Here is the root zone. This is the root zone. So this area is A, this area is B, and this height is 7 meters. And also this height is 1.8 meters. So we have to find vertical position of tile drain. So first we have to find B and A. So B equal to 7 point and Q equal to AB, that is 0.116 into minus 6. So Q equal to approximately 1.74 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter cube per second. Again, we can calculate is, that is slope equal to 4k by 2 into bs square minus a square, and also find value of a. S is given, that is 15. 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 5.22 per square minus a per square divided by 1.74 into 10 to the power minus 6. So while solving this, value of A equal to 4.53 meter. So this is the location of vertical location of tile. Also we have find central position location of center of pipe, center of tile drain from ground level. So we can write equal to 7 depth is given 4.53 equal to 2.47 meter. This is the value of center of vertical direction tile drain. Vertical direction tile drain. From the ground level. From the ground level. This is the position